Army life is a unique experience, but the demands of military service can be challenging for soldiers and families. The Army has increased its efforts to strengthen quality of life and place its people first. Here are some key things you need to know about how the Army has improved soldiers' quality of life at installations around the world. The Army is investing on average $1 billion per year to renovate and build new barracks and Army-owned housing, while private housing companies are investing more than $3 billion over the next 5 years into privatized family housing on installations. The Army has instituted new oversight procedures to hold housing companies accountable for maintenance and customer service. Installations are tracking the promptness, resolution, and quality of all work orders. Soldiers can now personally monitor their own maintenance requests from the convenience of their smartphones using one uniform system, the Army Maintenance Application, or ARMA. The Army is committed to providing soldier parents with accessible, affordable child care programs. The Family Child Care Program added 275 additional providers to the network in fiscal year 22. Additionally, the Army has worked to recruit and retain family child care providers and has increased compensation for direct care staff. For providers who PCS, Installation Management Command is making it easier to move locations and keep your FCC provider credentials. Meaningful employment creates a more fulfilling experience for Army families. The Military Spouse Employment Partnership connects military spouses with hundreds of partner employers who have committed to recruit, hire, promote, and retain military spouses. The Army also continues to work with state governments to improve professional licensure portability for military spouses. Additionally, the Army now reimburses up to $1,000 in qualified occupational licensing costs and offers spouses a simplified home-based business application process. The Army needs financially fit soldiers, and the Financial Readiness Program helps bolster a soldier's financial fitness throughout their career. The website, www.financialfrontline.org, offers financial education and counseling resources for soldiers and families. Also, to ease the financial strain of PCS moves, the Army is now providing a dislocation allowance prior to PCS to assist with relocation expenses. The Army has introduced several new digital programs designed to give soldiers more individual power over their personnel experiences. The MyArmy PCS app offers information on entitlements, types of moves, planning, scheduling, and the claims process with a live chat feature. The Online Enterprise EFMP System, or EEFMP, makes enrollment, assignment, coordination, and family support access easier for families with special needs. And the Digital Garrison app is a one-stop information source to navigate on-post facilities and access real-time installation updates. For helpful links and more on the Army's quality of life efforts, visit www.army.mil/quality of life.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, head over to our channel and click the subscribe button. From there, check out our other videos and see what else is going on in the U.S. Army. See you next time.